Welcome to another informative video. Today we are diving into the world of fitness, focusing on one of the most fundamental exercises, the push-up. This simple yet powerful exercise is often underestimated, but it's a total body workout that engages your core, strengthens your upper body, and even helps with your posture. In this video titled, How to Do Push-Ups for Beginners, we're going to break down the process of doing a push-up into manageable steps, making it perfect for those who are new to fitness or just starting their push-up journey. We'll walk you through each phase of a push-up, from positioning to execution, ensuring you understand the mechanics and benefits of this compound exercise. Doing push-ups correctly can result in significant improvements in your strength, endurance, and overall fitness. But remember, like any fitness journey, it's about progress, not perfection. So if you're ready to strengthen your body and learn how to do push-ups the right way, stick around. Before we delve into the specifics, it's essential to comprehend the underlying reasons behind the significance of push-ups in a fitness regimen. Push-ups, frequently overlooked, are akin to the Swiss Army knife of physical workouts, versatile and beneficial in numerous ways. Here's why. To begin with, push-ups provide an all-encompassing workout, activating a range of muscle groups concurrently. From your pectorals and deltoids to your biceps and even your abdominal muscles, you're exercising your entire upper physique in a single comprehensive movement. However, the advantages of push-ups extend beyond mere muscle enhancement. Push-ups play a pivotal role in enhancing cardiovascular. As you exert your body against the force of gravity, your heart is compelled to work harder, and in fitness, that's always a positive. It fosters an increase in your heart rate and bolsters your cardiovascular strength. Additionally, push-ups play a unique role in the development of bone mass. The resistance provided by push-ups aids in stimulating the growth of osteoblasts or bone-forming cells. The charm of push-ups lies in their accessibility. No gym subscription is needed. They can be performed anywhere at any moment with zero equipment necessary. Considering the myriad of benefits, it's evident why push-ups are a fundamental element in any fitness regimen. Let's begin exploring the fundamentals of doing a push-up correctly by delving into the aspects of correct positioning. One of the key aspects to focus on is your hand placement. Your hands should be aligned shoulder-width apart. This not only creates a robust base for your upper body but also allows optimal engagement of your chest and triceps. You have the liberty to adjust this distance for comfort, but remember, a too wide placement could cause shoulder strain, while a too narrow one could overwork your triceps. Another essential element to keep in mind is body alignment. Picture a straight line running from your head to your heels. Your body should emulate this line throughout the push-up. Avoid drooping hips or piking up your bottom. Ensuring your back is straight not only maximizes the effectiveness of the push-up, but also prevents potential strain on your lower back. A critical yet often overlooked part of the correct push-up positioning is engaging your core and glutes. The more closely your feet are positioned, the more you'll need to engage your core to maintain balance. Squeeze your glutes and engage your core throughout the movement to help keep your body aligned and stable. Lastly, don't neglect the position of your head. Your gaze should be slightly ahead of you rather than straight down. This helps in sustaining the alignment and prevents unnecessary strain on your neck. So, to recap, position your hands shoulder-width apart, maintain a straight line from head to heels, engage your core and glutes, and look slightly ahead of you. This is the fundamental framework for a correct push-up. It might take some practice to perfect, but always remember the quality of your push-ups takes precedence over the quantity. Maintaining correct positioning not only enhances the effectiveness of your push-ups but also helps avoid potential injuries. Let's dive into the intricate artistry of performing a push-up, a process that we can dissect into three primary stages: the initial position, the descending phase, and the ascending phase. Understanding each of these segments and the associated movements paves the way to honing your push-up skills. We begin with the initial position. Having already determined your optimal hand alignment and body positioning from our previous discussion, it's time to brace your core, tighten your glutes, and maintain a direct alignment from your head to your heels. This initial position forms the bedrock of your push-up. Hold this position firmly. Visualize yourself as a rigid wooden plank. This isn't merely the start of your push-up, it's the groundwork of the entire motion. Now we transition into the descending phase. From your initial position, your task is to lower your body in the direction of the ground. This phase calls for control and focus. Don't just succumb to gravity's pull. Counter it, descending in a slow, deliberate manner. Take about 2 to 3 seconds to descend from your initial position to just above the ground. keeping your elbows close to your body at a 45-degree angle to your torso. Remember, your body should move as one cohesive unit, maintaining the straight alignment from head to heels. The final step is the ascending phase, where the true essence of thee is unveiled. Starting just above the ground, your task is to propel your body back to the initial position. Harness the power in your arms and chest, and do not lose sight of engaging your core. Similar to the descending phase, this should be a controlled, steady motion. Take another 2 to 3 seconds to ascend back to your initial position. Consistently maintaining the correct form throughout each phase is paramount. This is not a race, nor is it a competition of how many push-ups you can achieve. It's quality that takes precedence over quantity. Each push-up should be a testament to your strength, control, and meticulous technique. Don't forget the vital aspect of breathing. Inhale as you descend, exhale as you ascend. This will aid in establishing a rhythm and ensuring the necessary oxygen supply to your muscles. Mastering the correct push-up technique might initially seem overwhelming, but with practice it will effortlessly become part of your workout routine. So if at first you don't succeed, don't be disheartened. Persistence is the secret ingredient. Consistent practice will soon have you executing flawless push-ups with ease. Embarking on your quest to conquer push-ups, it's crucial to identify typical blunders and understand how to circumvent them. Let's plunge right in. A highly prevalent mistake is flaring elbows. If elbows flare out to the sides, you're not only diminishing the power of your push-up, but you're also placing unwarranted stress on your shoulder joints. The remedy is uncomplicated. Keep your elbows snug to your body. Envision it like you're attempting to grip a piece of paper under your arm during your push-ups. Moving forward, we need to sagging hips. This occurs when hips drop to the floor, leading to an arched lower back. While this might seem to simplify the push-up, in truth it's jeopardizing your back, and you're not reaping the exercise's full advantage. To prevent this, engage your core and glutes. Maintain their tightness throughout the push-up. Visualize a straight line running from your head to your heels. Lastly, incorrect hand positioning is another frequent slip-up. Numerous individuals position their hands too far behind or wide apart. Your hands should be directly beneath your shoulders, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. This will provide the stability and support you. For a mental image, imagine a triangle with your hands and head forming the 3 points. Remember, acknowledging the errors is a significant part of the battle. The remainder involves consistent practice and concentration. It's insufficient to merely do push-ups. Executing them correctly is imperative. Also, it's completely acceptable to commence with modified push-ups or perform fewer reps as you increase your strength and master your form. In summary, don't permit these common errors to obstruct your progress. Rather, utilize them as guidelines. Monitor your form in the mirror, or even better, record yourself. This is a brilliant method to detect any errors and rectify them. Being of these common mistakes will aid in improving your form and extracting the maximum benefit from your push-ups. And that concludes our step-by-step guide on how to do push-ups for beginners. Let's quickly revisit the key points. The importance of incorporating push-ups into your fitness routine cannot be overstated. From there, we delved into the right posture and the methodology of executing a perfect push-up. We also unearthed certain common errors and learned how to steer clear of them. Remember, just like all acing, the art of push-ups requires patience and regular practice. Initiate your journey slowly. Focus on maintaining the apt form, and progressively enhance your strength. Make sure to subscribe and leave a comment down below saying that I subscribe, and we'll try our best to reply to your comment.